power, always precisely controlled. Flexibility and safety. Linde battery changing solution. Increased safety without swinging batteries due to Eazi's side battery changing method. A standard hand pallet truck and the simple battery tool enables easy lift and lateral removal of the battery from the tractor. The smart battery tool also acts as a pallet to deposit the battery. Alternatively, there's also the possibility to change the battery via rollers located underneath the battery. Solutions which are convincingly functional.